Tomatoes are among the most rewarding plants to grow at home, offering an unbeatable combination of flavor, nutrition, and versatility. But what if you could grow them without soil? Enter the Kratky method, a simple and low-maintenance hydroponic system perfect for tomatoes. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about growing thriving Kratky hydroponic tomatoes, from setup to harvest. The Kratky method is a passive hydroponic system that doesn't rely on pumps or electricity. It works by suspending plant roots in a nutrient solution, which gradually depletes as the plant grows. For tomatoes, this method provides consistent access to nutrients and oxygen, promoting fast growth and high yields. It's an excellent choice for beginners and experienced growers alike because it's cost-effective, easy to set up, and requires minimal maintenance. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about watching your tomato plants thrive in a water-based system. Before diving into the process, make sure you have the following materials: a container or bucket, at least 5 gallons per tomato plant to accommodate their extensive root system, net pots, to hold the plant and support its base. Growing medium, clay pebbles, rock wool, or coco coir are great options. Tomato seedlings. Choose a variety suitable for hydroponics, such as cherry tomatoes or smaller determinate varieties. Nutrient solution. A hydroponic-specific fertilizer with the right balance of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. pH testing kit, to monitor and adjust the nutrient solution's pH. Black plastic or a lid, to cover the container and prevent algae growth. 1. Prepare the container. Choose a sturdy container with enough capacity for your tomato plants. A 5-gallon bucket works well for a single plant, while larger containers can accommodate multiple plants. Drill holes in the lid to fit the net pots snugly. 2. Fill with nutrient solution. Mix the hydroponic fertilizer with water according to the package instructions. Aim for an initial solution with an electrical conductivity of 1.8 to 2.5 and a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Fill the container so the nutrient solution touches the bottom of the net pots. 3. Plant the seedlings. Place your tomato seedlings into the net pots, surrounding the roots with your chosen growing medium. Ensure the roots extend slightly out of the pot's bottom to access the nutrient solution. 4. Cover and position. Cover the container with its lid and position the plants in a location that receives plenty of light. Tomatoes require at least 8 to 10 hours of sunlight daily, or you can use a grow light for indoor setups. Alright, let's dive into caring for your Kratky tomatoes. First, monitor water levels. As the plants grow, they'll consume the nutrient solution, causing the water level to drop. This is normal and allows roots to access oxygen. Refill the container as needed, ensuring you don't submerge the entire root system. Next, maintain nutrient balance. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, so it's crucial to maintain the nutrient solution's balance. Check the EC regularly and adjust as the plants mature. During flowering and fruiting stages, increase the potassium levels for better fruit development. Temperature and humidity are also key. Tomatoes thrive in temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and 55 to 70 degrees at night. Ensure good airflow to prevent fungal diseases and maintain moderate humidity levels around 50 to 70%. Now let's talk about pruning and support. As your plants grow, they'll require support to handle their weight. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to keep the stems upright. Regularly prune the lower leaves and suckers to direct energy toward fruit production. Finally, pollination. Since tomatoes are self-pollinating, they'll need a little help if grown indoors. Gently shake the plants or use a small brush to transfer pollen between flowers. And there you have it. With these tips, your Kratky tomatoes should thrive. If you notice yellowing leaves or poor growth, it could indicate a nutrient deficiency or imbalance. Test the solution and adjust accordingly. For example, yellowing lower leaves may signal a nitrogen deficiency, while weak stems may need more potassium. If algae start growing in your container, it's likely due to light exposure. Cover the container with opaque material or black plastic to block out light. Overfilling the container or stagnant water can lead to root rot. Ensure the roots have access to oxygen and maintain the correct water level. Hydroponic tomatoes aren't immune to pests like aphids or whiteflies. Inspect plants regularly and treat infestations with organic or chemical solutions as needed. Tomatoes typically take about 8 to 10 weeks from planting to harvest, depending on the variety. You'll know they're ready when they're fully colored and firm to the touch. Harvesting regularly encourages the plant to produce more fruit. With the Kratky method, you'll enjoy consistent and flavorful tomatoes without the hassle of soil gardening. The joy of picking fresh homegrown tomatoes is unmatched, and with this method, it's easier than ever. Growing tomatoes with the Kratky method isn't just practical, it's a sustainable choice. You'll use less water compared to soil gardening, avoid soil-borne diseases, and enjoy faster growth rates. Plus, the simplicity of this setup makes it accessible for gardeners of all skill levels. Growing tomatoes with the Kratky method is a rewarding journey that combines simplicity, efficiency, and the joy of fresh produce. Whether you're new to hydroponics or looking to expand your gardening skills, this method is a fantastic way to grow delicious, juicy tomatoes at home. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hydro Haven for more hydroponic tips and tricks. Let's grow together!